semi-gloss black. And when I actually get done with it, it should look pretty good. But I'm still gonna have to touch it up every year because I don't want to spend the money on sandblasting, and I'm kind of broke. So, yeah. But here we go. You guys can see it takes long, even strokes. But we'll keep you guys posted on everything that we do with this sled, and we'll show you when we get done. And when it gets done, it should look pretty darn sweet. We'll show you everything else. Here's the hood to it, and there's the rest of the parts to it, and then I got some more over there on the workbench. It's kind of all scattered around, but I don't know, my dad must have found me a new shroud or something with a fan, because I needed a fan, as some of you know, because my other one shattered when I got it. But and then we're playing some bass. Here, we'll show it for you guys. But yeah, we'll show you guys as we keep going. We're gonna hit it with some duplicolor semi-gloss. Yep, semi-gloss black. It usually was black. That should look pretty good on that yellow. But we'll keep you guys all posted. Rate, subscribe, everybody.